back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Google Gemini for research and fact checking. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your Google Gemini for research and fact checking, all you can do is simply go to your Google Gemini. Once you're in your Google Gemini, to use your AI on Google search for research and fact checking, you need to utilize its deep research feature and double check the response tool. These tools use Google search to provide current, verifiable information. The deep search feature is available with a paid subscription. You need to access the feature, formulate a prompt, and refine the plan. You can run the research as per your liking and review it and export it. So once you have done this, you can integrate your personal files, and you need to do fact checking with AI on Google search. You can generate a response, you need to activate fact check and review your highlights. So this way you can use Google Gemini for research and fact checking. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.